All right, so the next hands-on exercise is to build and use an anonymous func. Build and use an anonymous func. Hands-on exercise number 6. And go pause the video, pause this video, go do that, the Golang playground. And then once you've done that, come back here and I'm going to show you the solution, which I'm going to show you right now. So build and use an anonymous func. Let's reset this. And an anonymous func. We'll just put that right here and we'll do, I don't know, func, and then the parameters, and then the code, and then call it. And we could put into here, x colon equals 0, and we could do for I colon equals 0, I less than 100, I plus plus, and then we could do some code there, and kind of, we've already got x equals 0. We'll just do this one. Don't want to have redundant code. Format.println, fumpt.println is actually how you say that. And we'll print I, and we'll put done here at the end, and format all that, and we will run it. Now I cannot assign to 1, cannot assign to 1. I, run, there we go. Nice. 0 through 99 printed out, 100 numbers, and there is an anonymous func which is executing. And you might ask yourself, why are we doing that? Because then eventually we could do go func, and we could launch something into its own Go routine, and that code's going to be off and running. But we could do that. That's how we would create a concurrent design pattern, which would enable our code to hopefully run in parallel if we have more than one CPU. All right, so there's an anonymous self-executing function.